This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Now, am I audible? Okay. So, last class we started some of functions. In that functions means we applied the text functions, means calculated functions we used in that uppercase, lowercase, left function, right function, mid functions. So then how to use the right functions, left, mid functions, length of character, length functions, all these things we used. Correct? So in that, any doubts, any confusions is there? No confusions, nothing? Okay. Okay, this is our data. Okay, yeah, last class we were using split function, right? We were used split functions. Yes. After length of characters. So length of characters. After that, we used split functions. Okay. So we are going to get the sum of text, numbers, all these things we are going to get. No, let me see that. Why we are going to display like this? Okay. First, select the customer name, drag and drop into the customer name. Now see, this is the first name. Actually, this is the first name. This is last name for me. Means, so first Aaron is the first name. After space, Bootman. This is the one name. Customer name. Aaron Bootman. That is the customer name we have. Again, in that, I want to split the names. So from where you want to split? For example, after space, whatever names is there, that one I want to split. After space, whatever data we have, that one I want to split. So this is we called as a split function. How to use the split function? First, right, I want to edit what we given. Let me see that. Right click on that. Edit split function. So here, split. What is the three options? I will show you that. Here we taken that order ID. Now I am going to take customer name we selected now here. That's why split function. Split function. String is nothing but customer name. For which name you want to split the value. Split the function. This my string. That means text. So that is we called as a string. After that comma, delimiters. Last class I showed that comma, space, hyphen, tab, semicolon, underscore. So then space. All these are slash. All these are considered as a delimiters. It's going to ask after which delimiters you want to split the data. Means here I have the name, customer name. After space, whatever data is there, that one I want to split. That's why here it's going to ask comma delimiters. After which delimiters you want to split the data. I want to mention with the double quotes space key. We have to press space key. After space key, I want to split the datas. Now it's going to ask token number. What is the token number means? In my data, if I have more than two spaces, for example, if I give one, means first one means first space, 2 means second space, 3 means third space, like that. If I give 2, after second space, whatever data is there, it's going to split. If I give 1, that one also I will show you that. If I give 1, here I have in my data only one spaces. Only one space I have here. Only one space. After this space key, after this space, whatever data is there, that one I want to split into the next column. Okay. Here number means nothing but how many delimiters after you want to split. Okay. So now I given 1. Let it be checked. Click on that. Okay. Now here we have the split for options. Drag and drop into the ABC option. See, automatically it's going to split. See now, the details it has been splitted. Like this we can. This is first space, second. Suppose if I give the second space, 2 I am going to give. What it will happen? Right click on that split function, edit, click on that 2, click on OK. So now we have the split function, drag and drop into the ABC option. See now, after this is the first space, this is second space. This is the first space, this is the second space. After second space, whatever data is there, that one I want to split into the next column. One more time I will going to repeat. See now, this is my data. Okay. Always it's going to calculate, this is the first space. If I give any spaces anything, first space, this is the second space. If I give 1, after 1 whatever data is there, only one spaces, only that data is going to display. Means before space, this is the after space, like that. Right click on that splitter, edit options. Now if I give 1, only the first name means arrow, like this it's going to display. If I give 2, after second spaces, this is the first space, second spaces, whatever data is there, it's going to split into that. If I give 2, only the bootman, this name is going to display. Then click on OK. Then drag and drop into the split function. See, second name we got, this one we got. Like this we can split the datas. Any doubt? Or one more time should I repeat? Please respond me. Cleared or not? Yeah, okay, I will do that. See now, I'm going to remove these functions. See, I have the customer name. Now, this is considered as a in the customer name first space. After, if you give the space, because here we given the space, that's why it's going to accept the first space. This is the second space option. This is the first space, this one second space. If I give 2, after second space, whatever data is there, that data only it will going to split into the next column. Okay, see, customer name, no. Click on that right click, I'm going to edit. Click on that edit, split function, customer name. If I give the 1, first space, after first space, I want to split the data. That is we called as a token number. Click on OK. Now see, split function, drag and drop into the ABC. First characters it will come. First name only it's going to display. Okay. Suppose if I give 2, what will happen? See now. Okay. One more time I'm going to create. This the split function 1, first space we splitted. Again, one more functions I am going to create, means one more split function I am going to create. Right click on that customer name, create calculated field, split function split 2. I am going to give like that. Here split function string is nothing but for which data you want to split. My data is in the customer name, so customer name automatically is going to take. After that comma, it's going to ask, 1 second, here see, if you give the comma, delimiters, after which delimiters you want to split the datas. I want to split after the space. Okay, so token number means I want to split the values after second spaces. This is first space, this one second space. If I give 2, that is we called as a token number. Token number. Okay, second space this one. Then click on, if I close the token number, see now the calculation is valid. Click on OK. Click on that OK. See now we got that this one. Drag and drop into that. See now second name we got in that. This the first space, this one second space. After second space, whatever data is there, that one is going to display to us. Got it? Done? Clear? I will give you 5 minutes. Everyone should try this one. Okay? Split function. Clear? Okay, first try, let it be like that. One more example I will give for split function. First try it. Let me see that. Done. Okay, good. See, next options in any doubt is there? Okay. So this is we called as a split function. One more split function we have to use. Using the order ID, we are going to use the split function. How to use split function? For example, I'm going to remove all the options. Click on that here. So we can remove customer name also. I don't want. I'm going to remove it. Just select the I want to select order ID. Example, order ID. Now see here, this is also one of the delimiters. This hyphen is one of the delimiters. If I give first delimiters 1, if you give only the AZ option is going to display. If I give 2, after second delimiters, whatever data is there, that data it will come. Let me see that. Select the order ID, create calculated field. See now, split function underscore split. If you give space, it will not going to take. So that's why 3 I given here split function. So I selected the split function. What is my data? Order ID is my, click on that, string. Order ID is my string. Select the order ID, comma, which delimiters. So this is my delimiters. So that's why double quotes, this my delimiters. After this delimiters, I want to split the numbers or values, anything, comma, token number. If you give 1, what will happen? I am going to give 1, so you will understand very nice, easily. Close this one. The calculation is valid. Click on OK. So now split 3, drag and drop into the ABC. Now see, only the AZ. Before first delimiters, whatever data is there, that options it will come. If I give that option, one more function, order ID, create function underscore split up. 4 I am going to take here, split function. Split function string, it's going to ask, my string is order ID, so select the order ID. After that, comma, it's going to ask the delimiters. See now, What is my delimiters here? Comma, delimiters, double quotes. This is my delimiters. Comma, token number. After second delimiters means this is first delimiter, second delimiter. After second delimiter, whatever data is there, I want to display. Let me see that. So how it's going to display? Click on that. Okay. See now, drag and drop into the ABC. See now, after second delimiters, whatever data is there, 2021, 2011, 2011 means after ಇದು first delimiters here, second delimiters. After second delimiters, whatever data is there, that information is going to display. For example, if I give the 3, see now, uh, one more functions I am going to create. Here, select the order ID, create calculated field, function underscore split. 4 is there, no? 5 I am going to select. Here, select split function. String is nothing but that is my order ID. Then comma, it's going to ask the delimiters. This is my delimiters. Comma, token number. I am going to select the 3. I am going to select 3. Click on OK. Now drag and drop into the ABC. Now see, after third delimiters, whatever data is there, the details it's going to display to us. Got it? Clear? Clear? Please respond me. Put it in the chat box. Clear or not about the split function? Yeah. Okay. Next options in that, all these are the split functions options we can use. So all these are the split functions. So many split functions we created like this. If you want to split single multiple data in the single cell, if you want to, one second. Single data, if you want to split into the multiple columns, we are going to use the split functions. This is my single data. This data I want to split into the multiple columns. For that, we are going to use the split function. Understood? Okay. So, this is the split function. I want to rename. Next options in that. Next options, we completed the first left function, then left function, right functions, all these things we completed. But now I want to use the mid function. So we mid functions we done or not? We completed a mid function? No? Okay. See now, mid function if you want to use, open the new sheet. In that, select the customer name. Any name, which one you want, you can select. I am going to select the customer name. Click on that. Here, where is the mid function, ma'am? No, we don't have it, right? Only the right and left functions we have, that's it. Mid function is nothing but middle of the characters. How to display the middle of the characters? Example, see now, I have some of data here. This one, this is my data. Example, education. or else information. This my data. Using the mid function, I want to split the middle of the characters. I want to display only the middle of the characters. Before we used left function, from left side how many characters you want to display, we can use in the from left side. Right function means from right side how many characters you want to display in the particular text or particular data. Like that, mid function also, middle of the characters. I don't want to display in the left characters and right character also, middle of the character only. If you want to see that, we are going to use the mid function. How to use? See now, equals mid function. Now see, in these parameters, it's going to ask the text. See now it's going to ask the text. For which text you want to find out the mid function. Select the information. This is my data, comma, start number. Means from which characters you want to start. Which numbers you want to start. Means I want to start example. Okay, third characters. I am going to select a third. Means from from F I want to start. Third characters, comma, from third characters if you start, from how many characters you want to display. So here I am going to select again 3 only. Let me see that. Number of characters I want to display 3 characters. Close the parenthesis. That's it. Enter. See, middle of the characters is going to display like that. So this is the middle of the character. Now same functions we have to use in the Tableau also. Now, in that middle of the characters means, for example, okay. Always it's going to accept if you give space also, it's going to consider as a one character. Like this is going to consider. Okay. Now, right click on that customer name. Here also we can select or else in the analyst tab, here create calculated field. Here also we can use. Okay, here also edit option is there, or else see if I click on that, if I edit calculator field, whatever functions we applied, all the functions going to display directly. Here also we can edit the functions also, or else right click on that function, edit. Here also option is there. Now right click on that customer name, create calculated field, here function mid. Here mid function automatically is going to take. String is nothing but customer name. Click on that. After that, comma, start. From where you want to start? I want to start from sixth character. Example, I will show you that. Sixth character. Sixth character, if you give here, okay, I want to start from third character. 3, comma, length of character. How many character? From third character, okay, we can start. From third character, how many, after that, how many characters you want to display? Example, if I select 3 or 4, I am going to select 4. Okay, length of characters 4 I given, or else if you want, we can give the 5 also. Then click on OK option. Function mid, drag and drop it. See, we got that function mid in the dimension. We got here function mid, drag and drop into the function mid option. See now 5 characters is going to display. Even space also is going to consider as a 1 characters, like that. Okay, all these are the options we have in that. Got it? Please try it once. Done? Is everyone done? Done? Are you still doing or clear? Done. Finished or not? Has everyone finished? Please respond me in the chat box. Okay. Next options in that, one of the important function, concatenate function. What is that concatenate function? How to use that concatenate function means two uh, two columns data. If you want to combine, if you want to merge the data in one single cell, we are going to use the concatenate function. Means two columns data, that one if I want to combine in one cell or one column. So if I want to merge the multiple data, if you want to merge as a one data, we are going to use a concatenate functions we are going to use. So how to use these concatenate functions? And here um, this one for us mid function, right? So I'm going to select, okay, I'm going to remove that mid function. Here clear, click on that clear. So we cleared. Now I want to use that concatenate function. How to use concatenate function? In that, see, I have simple example. uh, this is my data, computer education. Okay, like this I have simple data I have, or else chapter levels. Like this I have two cells informations we have in that. Using the concatenate function, we can merge the multiple cells data in one single cell. We can merge or we can combine the data also. Here equals concatenate function. See, now we have the concatenate function. It's going to ask, see, now if I select here concatenate function, it's going to ask the text one, for which text you want to combine, you want to merge. So text one, this is my text one, comma text two, it's going to ask text two. If I close the parenthesis, press enter, see, now it will come like that. So but there is no space, nothing is there, that's why equals concatenate function text one, this is my text one, comma after text one I need some of space, that's why double quotes, press space key, double quotes. Next, see, now if I give comma, it's going to ask text 3, means even one space, if you give one space also, it's going to consider as a text, one characters, like this is going to accept. Again select the option. Now second text we can select. Close the parenthesis, press enter. Now see, we got that spaces. In the multiple cells data, we can merge or we can combine in one single cell using the concatenate function. But in the Tableau, we are not going to applying the concatenate function. Directly we can calculate also. See now, minimize the Excel. I want to merge, for example. Okay. So I am going to select the in the location. Drag the region and country. I want to merge two details as means region and country. So this is my region, this my country, that information so we have. But the two columns data I want to merge as a one single cell I want to merge. How to merge? But here we are not going to use the concatenate function. Directly we can apply the functions also. How to apply this one? But here before we used in the particular customer name, right click, calculated field, create calculated field, like this we used. But here go to analyst tab, click on that. Here click on that create calculated field. If you click on that create calculated field, directly that functions screen is going to open. Here function underscore merge or combine, whatever you want we can concatenate. Here if I type as a concatenate, see we don't have that concatenate function. That's why manually we can type the directly we can type the functions. Here first name means region, select the region. See now automatically we got the region. Click on that region, space plus symbol means we have to add along with that region country we have to add. Click on that country. See now we got that country. The calculation is valid. See it's going to display. Let me repeat one more time. See I dragged here in the rows region and country. Now I want to combine. If you want here also we can drag and drop here like that. I want to merge country and region, two columns data I want to display in one single column. For that we can merge the data or else we can combine the data also. For that in Excel we are going to use concatenate function, but in the Tableau directly we can apply the details. No need to give the but concatenate function is not there to merge or to combine the details. So after import the data, country and region we imported in the drag and dropped in the rows column. Rows, go to analyst tab, create calculation field, calculated field. In that function underscore merge or combine, whatever you want we can combine. Here directly we can apply the details means what you want to combine, country plus region. That's why country. If you select country, see automatically it will come. Space plus again region. Now see we got that region. Got it? Click on OK. See now drag and drop into the text option. See now region and country both are combined. See now once if you drag these options, it's not going to display. After the country I need some space. After that I want to display the region. If you want to apply the functions in the column, if you want to give the spaces anything, so then go to again where it is right click on that edit, click on that edit. Here plus, after plus double quotes, space, double quotes, plus. Like this we have to give. See, now the calculation is valid. If you want to apply the between of the after country, I need the spaces. If you want to apply the spaces, this kind of functions we have to create. Got it? Click on OK. See, automatically we got the space. Clear? Understood? Any doubt is there in the concatenate function? Please reply me. Done? Okay, try it once and let me see that. We can, so I will show you that formula also. You can try edit formula. See, this is the formula. See, now I edited the formula. You can try it like that also. Is everyone done? Everyone finished, or are you still doing? Clear about concatenate function? Please reply me. Or one more time, should I display? Should I create? Hello? Any doubts? See, if you respond, then only I will know whether you understand or not. Got it now about that concatenate function? Anyone is there? Okay. One more time should I? Okay. 1 second, ma. I will show you that. Which one? Concatenate function? Are we? Concatenate function, ma combine function only, right? Okay. See now here, click on that. See this the functions. Close this one. So I'm going to remove all the informations. See now, I want to combine. I dragged the country and region into the rows. I want to combine country and region. I want to combine in one column, one single column. That means I want to merge the data. I want to combine the data. So that's why what I'm going to do that I'm going to use the functions. We have to use the function, but in MS Excel we have concatenate function. In the Tableau directly we can apply the functions. See here, I will show you that. um, Go to calculated field. Here I want to give that name function combine, or else okay, I am going to delete this one also. 1 second, ma. I don't want this combine. I am going to delete the function. Right click. So click on the delete. I am going to delete. Okay. Now I have the information, means country and rows. I dragged and dropped into the rows. I want to combine the two columns data in one single column. That's why here go to analyst tab, right click on that. Sorry, click on that. Create calculated field. Click on that. Here we have to apply the name. We have to apply. That means function underscore combine. Here we have to apply the functions. Directly we have to apply. What do you want to merge here? Country plus region. That's why if I select the country, it's going to ask the country. After that, so plus I want to merge. I want to combine. Here after the country I need some space. Give the space key. That space options we are mentioning with double quotes. That's it. Okay. Again plus, click on that region. I want to merge country and region options. I want to add. I want to merge. Like this, we have to apply the function. Then click on OK. After that, drag and drop into the ABC option. So now, automatically, we got that information. Clear? Clear, ma, Charvi? Okay, okay. Next function. So here, find function. How to use find functions in that example? This is for concatenate function, no? concatenate function. Next step, I want to find out the find function. If I want to find out what is that find function means, particular characters in the particular column or particular data. If I want to find out this particular character, if I want to find out, we are going to use the find function. We are going to use. How to use find functions then? Oh, 1 second. One second, ma'am. Okay, now, oh, I have to restart that once again. This is my data. If I want to find out the particular characters, we are going to use the find functions we are going to use. Example, drag the customer name into the rows option. In the rows, I drag and drop into the customer name. In that, right click on the customer name, create calculated field. Here, function find function I want to find out. So here, what do you want to find out here? In the find function, click on that find string. It's going to ask string because my string is customer name. Select the customer name. This is my string. Click on that. After that, comma. So what is that substring means? Substring is nothing but it's going to ask means which characters you want to display. That is my substring. Example here, which characters we have to. Okay, I am going to find out on. This character means here. Okay, I am going to give am. Let me see that am. This character I want to find out in the particular customer name. Okay, so then after that, if while applying the function, if it is a square bracket, that is the optional. See, now we have in the square bracket. Whatever, wherever it is, in the Excel also okay, in the Power BI also okay, in the Tableau also okay. If you have in the square bracket, that is the optional option. If you want, we can use. Otherwise, if it is not required, so no need to use that options. I want to find out AM in this particular customer name. I want to find out the AM text is there or not. I want to find out. Then click on that. Okay. After that, see function find options we got. Now drag into the text option. See now here 225, 54, 21 like this it's going to display. So it's taking aggregate value means entire row how many AM is there, it's going to calculate that options. Entire row it's going to take. That's why what we have to do in that, select the function here. Select the function, click on that attribute. If I click on that, it's going to display total number of characters going to display. Understood? In that we have the AM. See here we have that AM, AA characters M. That is the information is going to display to us. In this particular name we don't have, that's why showing 0. Okay. See here one it's showing now only M is there. So AM in that options we have. See like this we can find out the information. Got it? Is that clear? Any doubts? Okay. Hmm. Okay. So tomorrow we will continue the session. Okay. Tomorrow we have class. No, I'm going to continue tomorrow. If you have tried once, if you have any confusions, doubts, anything, let me see that in the next class. Okay. First save the whatever we are going to creating, so that all the options we have to save, because of when we are going to create the dashboard, we have to drag and drop the entire worksheets, we have to drag and drop in the dashboard. Okay, must and should you have to save.